The UN Security Council establishes subsidiary bodies on specific issues, including on the sanctions regimes. I'm happy to announce that India has been asked to chair 3 important committees of the Security Council, which include the Taliban Sanctions Committee, Counter-Terrorism Committee, and the Libyan Sanctions Committee. The Taliban Sanctions Committee, also called the 1988 Sanctions Committee, has always been a high priority for India, keeping in mind our strong interest and commitment to peace, security, development, and progress of Afghanistan. Our chairing this committee at this juncture will help keep the focus on the presence of terrorists and their sponsors threatening the peace process in Afghanistan. It has been our view that peace process and violence cannot go hand in hand. India will also chair the Counter-Terrorism Committee in 2022, which coincides with the 75th anniversary of India's independence. The chairing of this committee has a special resonance for India, which has not only been in the forefront of fighting terrorism, especially cross-border terrorism, but has also been one of its biggest victims. This committee was formed in September 2001, soon after the tragic terrorist attack of 9/11 in New York. India has chaired this committee when we were last in the Security Council in 2011-12. The Libya Sanctions Committee, also called the 1970s Sanctions Committee, is a very important subsidiary body of the Council which implements the sanctions regime, including a 2-way arms embargo on Libya, an assets freeze, a travel ban, measures on illicit export of petroleum, etc. We will be assuming the chair of this committee at a critical juncture when there is international focus on Libya and on the peace process. We thank the permanent representative of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Ambassador Rhonda King, who, as the chair of the informal working group on Security Council working methods, had steered this process to its logical conclusion.